my videos. Okay, so today we want to simplify 8 over 27 raised to the power of 2 over 3. Okay, so how do we go about simplifying this is what we're going to do. Okay, so the first thing that we want to do here is we want to distribute this exponent to the numerator and the denominator as well. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. So this is going to equal to, we'll have 8 to the power 2 over 3 over 27 to the power 2 over 3. So this just simply means that we have distributed the power, or rather the exponent, to the respective terms that we have, the numerator and the denominator. Now the next thing that we want to do is, when you look at this, what we have as the fractional indice, or rather the fractional exponent, we have the numerator and the denominator. Now if you have a power or an exponent that is in form of a fraction like this one, we know that the numerator is basically the power and the denominator here is basically the root. Okay, so when we look at the power of 2 over 3, the 3 is basically the root and the 2 is the power. Okay, so now what we need to do here is to introduce the root. So the root would be, we have 8, okay, here we have a 3 because that's the root here, and then it would be raised to the power of 2 over, we'll have the root down as well, 27 here, we'll have the 3 there, and the power will be what? 2. So like I said, the number on top is basically the power. So we're going to raise whatever we're going to get here to the power of 2, whatever we're going to get here to the power of 2. That is basically what you need to do. So now, after simplifying this to this stage, the next thing that we want to do now is to find the final answer. So what do you do? What we need to do now is to just simplify what is already there. So what we're going to do now is to just simplify this. So what is the number that you can multiply to itself 3 times to give you 8? That's what the cube root means. Okay, what is that number that you can multiply to itself 3 times, okay, and should give you 8? That number is a 2. Okay, so 2 times 2 gives you a 4. 4 times 2 gives you the 8. So we have a 2 on top, and this is raised to the power of 2 over, what is that number that you can multiply to itself 3 times to give you 27? That number basically is 3. So 3 times 3 gives you 9. 9 times 3 gives you 27. So we'll have a 3 down here, which will be raised to the power of 2 as well. Now, once we reach there, now the powers will begin to, like, they'll be implemented now. So we'll have 2 raised to the power of 2. That means that we'll do 2 times what? 2 times 2 over 3 times 3. And this will give us the answer as 4 over what? 4 over 9. So this is the answer that you get if you are to simplify this. So in some cases, they'll give you an exponent that is a negative number. Now there you need to apply the laws of indices, where you now need to introduce the 1 as the numerator, and then you write everything that has got a negative exponent down under the 1. Then it means that the negative that was here has been taken away with the introduction of the 1 on top. Okay, so basically this is where we end. Thank you very much for watching this video, and continue to watch the videos that come.